Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast with information for Monday, October 5th. As you can see, I unlocked the Week 5 folder. It is a limeish green folder. When you go into Week 5, which has information from October 5th to October 9th, and you click the subfolder for Monday the 5th, there isn't a ton of information in today's folder, and here's why. When you click on the only page that's in there, it will say return to last week's folder, which was week 4, and last Friday's subfolder, which was October 2nd, to complete the reading guide Humans Spread Out. And there's also some directions that you will use sources A and B to complete the assignment and make sure that you click submit when you're finished. This was the easiest way to go about organizing this because students had last Friday and they also have Monday the 5th to complete this assignment. So rather than moving the assignment, I kept it in the same place. So students will need to navigate back to the main screen to last week's folder. So they will click on the social studies button to go back to their home page. They will actually go back to last week's folder and they will go to Friday's folder, which is the grayish black charcoal color. And there's a couple things that are located in this folder, including the 2 documents that they will find the answers and the reading guide itself. So when they click on the reading guide, Humans Spread Out, they will click on it. They will make their copy by clicking My Document, and there will be a couple extra directions that say make sure you submit when you're done. So this is a blank version of that document, and the students will use sources A, which comes from the textbook, and source B, which is a map from the textbook that the students actually have seen already in the video clip from last week. So to start with source A, the reading, the headings here in the reading guide match the headings from the reading from the textbook. So as students go back to Schoology and they pull up source A, it will open up a document that looks like this. So as you take a look at the orange headings that say, what were later Stone Age people like, that matches up with later Stone Age people. Early human migration, and that's coming from the reading that talks about early human migration. So the questions do go in order with the reading, and students can find the reading for these questions in the textbook reading right here, source A. So that's about 2.5 pages of reading. The questions go right in order for source A. And then when students get to source B questions, there's 2 of them, the map. Students will answer these questions using the information from when they click on source B, and it will take them to the map that looks like this. And once again, if students watch the video either on their own or with me during our live Google Meet last Thursday, they've seen this map before. We paused it a few times and talked about a couple things with this map, but they will answer the 2 questions about source B using this map. And if students are finished already, because I do have some students that did it on Friday, I would take the time to check the grade book to make sure that you do not have any zeros or missing work. If you do, I would go ahead and work on that so that you are prepared to finish this lesson set this upcoming week. And we will talk all about finishing up this lesson set at our live Google Meet on Tuesday, October 6th. If you have any questions throughout the day Monday, feel free to email me. I'll be happy to get back to you. I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.